So you've got financial savings, you've got extended life, you've got reduced wastage. So you're going to make the environmental aspect positive as well. I'm struggling to think of any downsides. Actually, there aren't. Well, you're not going to tell me of any downsides in any case, are you? But yeah, I'm thinking that it looks like a pretty good overall situation. Improved maintenance, improved scheduled maintenance, improved performance, improved life cycle, less emissions, less carbon impact on the environment, and more accessible.
Can I just add one more thing?
Yeah.
Job creation. Because obviously you end up obviously recruiting more qualified technical people as well, which is a great thing.
Right.
And on those side of things, perhaps that might be a struggle. We have the same way that we heard about software being an issue. We don't have the software, we can't do anything, which is, again, we have proved that to be wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Is the lack of trained staff and technicians. Now, obviously, we definitely, if we as a society are to get serious about repair rather than replace, and the whole right to repair ethos, obviously, which is something that we support, we obviously need education to stand up to the challenge, and we need to have universities, we need to have colleges, BTECs and vocational schools offering training for repair. There's a lot of training being offered only for engineers. We obviously hire engineers here. We have fantastic engineers as part of our teams here in Barnsley. But we have recently finished a recruitment process, and every candidate that's come through the door, all that they knew was how to create an app for a mobile phone.
Okay.
So
I was talking to somebody about use of artificial or augmented reality in training, and also to enable, particularly a time of skills shortage, to enable one skilled engineer to control a cohort of people who are learning or didn't necessarily have the skill level that the trained engineer would have, and enable the trained engineer to almost be on the spot by using a headset and being able to see what the person is doing in front of them. So but raising that sort of skill, or making the skills available on site is pretty crucial. Yeah.